This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Kathy Stinson. Beautiful land, over half an acre on the water, beautiful trees, fenced, cleared, and ready to build on for a permanent home or vacation getaway. Access to water and electricity. There is a small lake behind the land. The lot is about a 3-minute drive to the boat ramp for Lake Somerville in the neighboring subdivision. The private neighborhood has nice amenities, too. Pool, small park, community building, quiet and peaceful yet close to Somerville and Caldwell for shopping. No flooding issues. This is a little gem of a piece of land and is ready for you to build your own home or private getaway from the big city. RVs and boat storage is allowed on the lot and can build a deck on the water. Many nice residents here. Charming wildlife. Nice area. For more information